welcome, and in this video we will do multiple choice questions. In multiple choice questions you will be given a question, you will have 3 to 4 options and you will have to choose the correct option. It kind of resembles like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, or in India we have Kaun Banega Crorepati. Where we get the question, we have 4 options and we have to choose the correct option. Okay, so let's look at the passage first. Topic of the essay is the impact of technology on society. So the first section is section 1. In recent decades, technology has become an integral part of our lives, reshaping the way we work, communicate, and live. The advent of smartphone and the widespread accessibility of the internet has revolutionized the way information is exchanged, connecting people across the globe. Section 2. One of the positive aspects of technological advancements is the improved efficiency in various sectors. Automation and artificial intelligence has streamlined processes, leading to increased productivity in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Section 3. However, the rapid pace of technological evolution has also given rise to ethical and societal challenges. Privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between innovation and individual rights. Moreover, digital divide persists with disparities in access to technology, creating inequalities in education and economic opportunities. So, now let's look at the first question. How has technology impacted information exchange? First option is it has decreased global connectivity. B. It has revolutionized the way information is exchanged. C. It has slowed down communication processes. And D. It has limited access to information. So now let's look at the passage. If we look at section 1, it says the advent of smartphones and the widespread accessibility of the internet have revolutionized the way information is exchanged. Okay, so for our answer would be B. Okay, it has revolutionized the way information is exchanged. So the correct option is B. Now let's look at question number 2. Which sectors have seen increased productivity due to technological advancements? Option A is agricultural and construction, B manufacturing, healthcare and finance, C retail and hospitality, and D transportation and entertainment. Okay, now let's look at the passage. Now, if you look at section 2, it says automation and artificial intelligence have streamlined processes, leading to increased productivity in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. So the answer should be B. Manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. Okay. Now let's look at question number 3. What ethical issue has been raised concerning technology? It's A. Excessive use of social media. B. Privacy concerns related to personal data collection. C. Lack of innovation in the tech industry. And D. Limited access to education. Now let's look at the passage. Now, if we look at section 3, it states privacy concerns have escalated with the constant collection of personal data by tech companies, raising questions about the balance between innovation and individual rights. So, the answer should be B again. Privacy concerns related to personal data collection. Okay. Now let's look at question number 4. Question number 4 is what societal challenge has arisen due to disparities in access to technology? The key word here is disparities. So disparities means variations. Okay. Option A is increased collaboration opportunities, B, economic growth in underdeveloped regions, C, inequalities in education and economic opportunities, and D, enhanced cultural understanding. So let's look at the passage again. Now, if we look at section 3, at the end it states, moreover, the digital divide persists with disparities in access to technology creating inequalities in education and economic opportunities. So the correct answer would be option C, inequalities in education and economic opportunities. Okay, so this was IELTS reading multiple choice questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button